uncovered MAI files while migrating an old email server, or cleaning out archived folders, these are messages from an early Microsoft email system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through recovering and reading these legacy Microsoft Mail message files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for MAI problems. See below for my top choice. MAI files are email message files from Microsoft. Mail, the early LAN-based email system that preceded Microsoft Exchange and Outlook. They contain individual email messages with sender and recipient addresses, subject lines, message body text, timestamps, and file attachment data stored in Microsoft's legacy mail format. MAI files use a proprietary binary format, storing email message headers, envelope data, plain text body content, and MIME-encoded attachments. Messages include sender-recipient CC fields, date stamps, priority flags, and attachment pointers within the Microsoft Mail Post Office directory file structure. Microsoft Mail is the standard set by Microsoft Corporation for accessing the MAI format. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows may load the file, but rich text and attachments need email-aware tools to display correctly. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your MAI file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Mail if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If you are still having trouble opening the MAI file, do not worry. This MAI format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, viewing message content. Open the MAI file in a text editor like Notepad++ to read the plain text message body and header information. While some binary data appears, the readable portions typically reveal sender-recipient subject and message text. Look for ASCII text strings between binary header blocks to extract the core message content. Next, converting to modern format. Use Aid4Mail or systools, mail migration software, to batch convert MAI files from a Microsoft Mail Post Office to PST-EML or MBOX format. Point the converter to the Post Office directory structure containing the MAI files and export all messages to a format compatible with modern email clients like Outlook or Thunderbird. Finally, importing to current email. After converting MA files to EML format, drag and drop the EML files into Mozilla Thunderbird for immediate viewing. For Outlook import, the converted PST file using File, then Open, then Import. This preserves message headers, body text, and attachments in a fully searchable modern email environment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.